Welcome back here with us on Bazaar Morning Call. Time to head across to Anuj to figure out how he's reading the setup. Anuj, good morning. So it seemed all very well, and then you had that drama play out in the last half an hour, right? The volatility. What do you make of things, and how do you look at today?
Yes, morning, Surabhi, Nigel, Sonia, and Happy New Year to all of you. I think we didn't get a chance to talk yesterday. And that's okay. The market will have that with low volume trade. I mean, yesterday the FI gross volumes were so low. I think there's some areas in Mumbai which will be generating more volumes than what we had from FIs yesterday. Now, that's the level to watch out for. The Nifty low of last 3 days, it's been similar, around 21,675, thereabout, December 28, December 29, and Jan 1. So in some sense, while the market's been seeing intraday declines, it's holding on to a crucial level. But the one-way move that the market had might be coming to an end. There could be some volatility in the month of January for two reasons. The earnings season kicks off soon, and of course you have the pre-budget volatility also which could take place. That's been the trend. January has been a volatile series, if you remember, for last 4 or 5 years. The two levels that I'm watching out for, yesterday's high and low, 21,834 and 21,680 on the Nifty. And again, there was mid-cap outperformance, which was the theme in 2023. Yesterday also you saw mid-cap outperformance. In terms of cues to track, of course you want to track the bond yield and dollar index. There's been a one-way decline in that, but some support at lower levels. Let's see if there's another round of lower levels that you see in these two sort of instruments. Because that would be having some bearings on the FI flows as we start the next year. Generally, you make fresh allocations at the start of January once you're back from the holidays. And yesterday, the volumes were 5% of overall volumes from the FI desk. Coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty, on the Nifty, the first resistance is 21,834, which is yesterday's high. And then, of course, 22,000, the highest options based. On the lower side, the support is well defined, 21,677, like we saw over the last 3 days, the recent low, and then 21,600, where the maximum put open interest buildup is placed. On the Bank Nifty, which has been more volatile, where you didn't make an all-time high yesterday while you did on the Nifty, the first resistance is 48,450, yesterday's high, and then, of course, the all-time high of 48,636. But I think support is more important to talk here. First, 48,044, yesterday's low, and then 47,800. Based on the options.
Okay, Anuj, thanks a lot for that, and Happy New Year to you. I hope this year continues to be a great one, just like the previous one. Thanks for joining in.